Hi, it's Aline here. I came to you with another video about hair. Now, this is my evening wear look where I'm getting ready to hop over in the middle of my bed and call it a day. But anyway, this is hair from Nadula. And Nadula is a company you can find on Amazon and you can also find on eBay. And it is a independent company, I do believe. You can order directly from the website. Also, I don't know about AliExpress. I haven't really looked for it on there, but anyway, as I said, I order all my stuff pretty much from Amazon. So if I don't like it, I can send it back. And this is the Nadula Loose Wave in the, let's see, what inches is it? I think it's 16, 18, and 20. And at the bottom, the very bottom here, this is not Nadula here. This is a blend of another different type of hair, and I'm not exactly sure which brand that it is because my daughter bought it, so I'm going to have to find out, but it's pretty good hair. I wanted longer hair, and I didn't order the longer lengths for the summer, so it's getting to be cooler and fall, and I wanted a longer look, and so that's what I did here by adding the back pieces. The rest of it is Nadula, like I said. It's a pretty good hair, and it doesn't tangle much. It doesn't shed that much. It does shed though. It does shed. And like I said, most of this hair that you buy is gonna shed. It's not that premium, expensive hair, and so don't expect a miracle out of it because it's just not gonna happen. Once you dye it or bleach it or change the structure of it any kind of way, it's gonna compromise the hair in some sort or form or fashion. So you got to keep it deep conditioned. I would leave conditioner on it overnight or either for 1 or 2 hours, if you don't have that kind of time, and use organics. Moroccan oil is what I put on this to keep it from being dry and looking frizzy. So if you want the loose wave, this is exactly what it looks like after you wash it. Now it does curl back up if you let it. I think if you air dry it, it'll curl back up. I'm always doing something, so I stuck mine in the microwave to speed it up a little bit, and it'll curl up so you can make your own curls if you do it like that. But I use the wand to achieve the curls I have right now. This little baby right here. It's called the Infinity Pro. So that's what I used. And anyway, like I said, if you like to order the Nadula hair, I am not a paid sponsor for this. This is my money. Came out of my pocket. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's not decent hair if it's not decent hair. I have gotten some rotten hair that is just horrible. Believe me, and I was mad as all get out because I spent my money on it, and the stuff tangled up almost from out the starting gate. By the time I put it on my head and moved my head like this, it was so tangled up I didn't know what to do. I was mad. So let me tell you. So I'm not going to tell you that something is not gonna tangle, a lot to cause you a headache if it is. Now this, like I said, it does not have that rat's nest, matted tangle stuff that some of us have gotten hold to, because I really have. It does tangle some. I'm not going to tell you it doesn't tangle at all. Now, it does tangle some because it's long, and for one, it's rubbing on the back of your neck. So, or hair, jacket or coat or whatever you might be wearing at the time. So, with that being said, just, realize that this is not premium stuff that you're buying. It's going to get you by, and you're going to look all right with it, but it's just not premium. It's good, but it's not premium. So, I know I don't have the money to pay $300 and $400, almost $1,000 for this hair and stuff. So, I find the best reasonably priced companies that I can, and I use those, and I try to stick to ones that I'm comfortable with spending my money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to come back with some more different videos. This is not a wig. This is wefted hair. When I'm wearing wefted hair, I hardly ever wear closures because they're too hot, and I really don't like to have to glue this down and lay that down. It's just too much. So anyway, that's just me, y'all. But if you want to lighten this hair up, I would suggest getting a 40 volume developer to use with your box dye if that's what you're going to use, unless you go to a professional. Because if you don't, you use that developer that's in that kit, it is not going to change the color of this hair. I'm telling you, you're wasting time, money, and effort, and you're going to be mad from the outcome. Some of this hair is so dark, you have to lighten it up some with a little bleach lightener. Just don't leave it on there long. Let it raise it up to like a light brown color, and then from there add your color to make it blonde or whatever you want to do to it, because if not, with this cheaper hair, it's going to tear it up, and then you're going to be mad still. So that's my tip for the day. Anyway, I will see you all later. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy what you're watching. Give me a thumbs up for my content. This is a positive channel. I'm trying to do some positive things for us out there. So, everybody needs to feel good about themselves and to feel beautiful. I don't care what age you are. So, with that being said, I'm out of here. You guys have a good day.